toolbox tour today here at Dirty Boys Off-Road. Come on in here. First drawer is my wrench drawer. Got a little bit of everything. Proto, a lot of Harbor Freight, Husky, Stanley. Just a little bit of everything in this drawer. Screwdriver drawer. Screwdrivers, chisels, punches, Allen heads, star bits, picks, a lot of Stanley and Harbor Freight in here. So here's a safety drawer, some punches, label maker, extra blades, gloves, glasses, first aid kits, and my favorite drawer. So here's a socket drawer and a ratchet drawer. Love this drawer. Got a lot of Harbor Freight stuff, a lot of Husky, some Snap-on, some Proto, some Stanley. This, if you don't have one of these, you need to get you one because this makes your life a lot easier. Milwaukee through and through. Get all these ratchets and stuff. Got some more ratchets up here that I'm rebuilding right now. And down here is my plier drawer. It's got an assortment of everything in here from Kleins to Crescent, Irwin, channel lock, vice grip, stuff like that. Got all my pry bars and stuff in here. My C clamps. Here's my other wrench drawer. This is kind of my ratchet wrench drawer. Got my gear wrench, ratchet wrenches. Love those things. Got a lot of Proto wrenches over here. Got my big wrenches, a soldering iron that I don't know what in the world you would solder with this thing, but I got it. A lot of my big stuff, some SP tools, some Pittsburgh. It's got a little bit of everything in here. Crescent. Here's my Overflow socket drawer. Got my O-rings, hose clamps, cotter pins, hairpins, nut and bolt assortment. Some more O-rings for pressure washers and stuff. Yeah. Some drill bits, hole saws, and a big power tool drawer. Got my slide hammer, 2 Milwaukee super sawzalls, Milwaukee hacksaw, a 7 1/4 Milwaukee fuel circular saw. Got my 3/4 inch impact, 1 Milwaukee. Got another one. Got my oscillating tool, big 7 inch Milwaukee grinder, little Harbor Freight sawzall. Kind of like my air drawer. Some specialty tools, some more O-rings, extra air hose, spray painter, air hammer, air impact, my hammer drawer.
Good Lord.
Love these depth blows. If you don't have any of them, you need to get you some. My electrical drawer. Got a lot of electrical stuff in here. Do soldering iron. A lot of tape. Here's my drill drawer. Olympia tool kit. It's a pretty good little kit. Some thread all. Overload. Screwdriver drawer. Got a lot of nut drivers. Some files. Got my really long screwdrivers are in here. Got my X-Acto knife kit. My snap ring pliers, heat shrink, snap rings, internal and external. And then my favorite part, my power tools. Love Milwaukee power tools. If you ain't in the Milwaukee fuel system, then you're missing out, because it ain't Snap-on, boys and girls. It's Milwaukee time. Got the 1/4 inch Milwaukee fuel impact driver. This little thing is a beast. And then my favorite tool, the 1/2 inch stubby impact. That thing right there will do just about anything you want it to do, from taking off tires to taking axle nuts off. It'll get it done. 250 foot-pounds of torque both ways.